good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here, and I'm with the babies, and it's such a great morning to see you all. We're getting ready to sing our song together, but first, we were talking about today's lesson, which is that sometimes God's promises that he makes now are for later, and we have to be patient and wait for them to happen, and it's very hard. It's very hard to be patient. It's kind of like, at Christmas time when your presents are wrapped, but you have to wait until Christmas to open them. And they have to sit there the whole time, and you have to be patient because the presents are meant to be opened later. And so that's why, what's that, Reginald? You don't like that tradition? You don't like waiting? Okay. Well, I know it's difficult to wait. It's hard to wait, but God has perfect timing for everything, and we have to wait for his perfect time. What's that? Okay, right. I know you don't like to wait, but what happened when you ate that banana that was green last time, Reginald? That's right, you got sick because it wasn't ripe yet. Just like with fruit, we have to wait until it's ready to eat. Sometimes we buy it at the store and it's not ready yet, and we wait until later. And see what happens when you don't wait, Reginald? Oh, okay. Well, Reginald certainly doesn't like... What's that? You wrote your own song for today? Before we do our regular song, you want me to sing your song? Well, where? I don't see... Oh. You wrote this song here? And you wrote the words and you even printed it out and everything? Oh, okay. And you want me to sing it word for word? Okay. Well, apparently, Reginald wrote a song for us all, and he wants me to sing it for you. So let's see how it works, okay? And you want to be the director? Okay. Well, why don't you sit over here on Big Bear's lap, okay? And you can kind of help me to play and sing the song, okay? Direct me, Reginald, okay? Let's see how it goes. Oh, it's too slow? Okay. Is that good enough? Okay, I'm gonna sing Reginald's song that he wrote. Ready? I want it now, not later. Just like a hungry alligator. I want it now, not later. Don't make me turn into Darth Vader. I don't know if that's appropriate, Reginald. Oh, you want me to keep going? Okay. I wanna have dessert before dinner. I'm not a loser, I am a winner. Turn me up, turn up the fader. I want it now, not later. Reginald. I want it now, not later. Just like a hungry alligator. Don't be mean, don't be a hater. I want it now, not later. Oh, tag the ending? I want it now, not later. Oh, you want a big ending on the guitar? Okay, Reginald. All right, I appreciate your creativity. That was a very good song. It was very honest and heartfelt, but still, our lesson today is about how God has perfect timing, okay? And that's what we're going to rest our faith on, is God's perfect timing. So let's sing our regular song together, okay? About God's promises now, happening later, okay? Here we go. Anxious, we'll cease our striving. We'll wait on you, 'cause everyone knows that you have perfect timing. Yes, you have perfect timing. Everyone knows that you have perfect timing. May wait, but you're never late. We'll wait on on you, 'cause everyone knows that you have perfect timing. You have perfect timing. Everyone knows that you have perfect timing. After your testing comes your blessing. And after your testing comes your blessing. Yeah, yeah. And after your testing comes your blessing. One more time. And after your testing comes your blessing. 'Cause everyone knows that you have perfect timing. You have perfect timing. Everyone knows that you have perfect timing. Yes, you have perfect timing. You have perfect timing. Everyone knows that you perfect timing. You have perfect timing. You have perfect timing. Amen. That is true. God's timing is perfect. Okay, Reginald? Do you understand now why it's good to wait sometimes? Okay. Good boy, Reginald. Good boy. So it's good to wait. And what's that? And you'll even wait to open your presents this year for Christmas? Well, that's good. Thanks for waiting this year, Reginald. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for singing with us, boys and girls, and listening to our songs. Yes, Reginald's song too. And we'll see you next week, okay? So be patient. Remember, God promises now might happen later. All right. Say bye. Say bye, Reginald. Wave, Reginald. Wave. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye.